Yo guys, it's your boy Accept here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your PC run faster. Now this is only going to help you out if your PC's being a little bit slower than usual and it might not be up to scratch. So in today's video I'm going to teach you a couple of things you can do to make your PC run faster. So let's get right into the video. What you want to do first is go to your Windows search bar and type in Defragment and optimize drives. You will find this little symbol that looks like blocks on a graph, and you want to click on that and you want to click on optimize because it will analyze it anyway and it will optimize your drives. Now basically what this is doing, it's taking all your information on your hard drive and it's basically finding gaps in the data and deleting it so it takes up less space on your drive. Don't worry, it doesn't delete anything, it just makes your files that much better. I don't really know how to explain it in details, but all I know is that it's really good for making your drives and your files just be a little bit better. Now what you can do is click on change settings so it can be on a schedule so that every time you are using your computer it will optimize it automatically every day or every week or every month. But I would honestly just do it every week because it's not really needed daily unless you're a big avid user of a PC, but every week is fine. Monthly is not like often enough, so yeah, once you've done that it should help your PC run a little faster. You can also search in the Windows search bar disk cleanup. Now what this does, it looks for files that you don't need on your computer, like temporary files or thumbnails that are not needed, you know, maybe downloads that you've left there for a while and stuff like that. I wouldn't delete everything, I'll just go through what you think you might not need. Definitely empty the recycling bin. I wouldn't get rid of your downloads because that deletes your recent downloads that you haven't taken out of that file or out of that folder. And I would delete like temporary files and stuff like that. I haven't deleted temporary files because there's some stuff online that I still need to keep, but definitely, you know, search it out, complete all your work that you need to do, and then save everything, and then you can do your disk cleanup and delete everything spare. So this deletes like, sometimes it deletes like passwords and that, so sometimes you need to add your passwords back in, but that should be enough. But yeah, this has been me Accept, showing you how you can make your PC run faster, or at least feel a lot more smoother. If after this video you're still having troubles with your PC being slow, just let me know and I'll see what I can try and do to make your PC up to standard again. But yeah, it's been your boy Accept. Please leave a like for more videos and tutorials in the future. It's been me Accept. I'm out.